Traders, Anthony here, looking at Bitcoin. So we've got this move, it's under pressure, and we're looking for a potential trade, an entry point. I'm just going back on the daily time frame, measuring low to high. Yeah, well, that's fairly wide. Oh well, low to high here, low to high here, low to high here. So a move back up into this level isn't out of the question, given the volatility that Bitcoin shows or presents. You want to be a little bit careful. I mean, down here it looks like an ideal opportunity to short this. I like the price action. We've got an entry point, and that could be a thing. I would have preferred to have entered a little higher up, but let's just say we go with the market. So where are you going to place your stop loss? This is high risk, is all I can say. All right, that's a possibility, but see what we've got here is this, or daily, we've got this imbalance here. This is a 4-hour and daily. At the moment, it's a daily imbalance. We're just pulling this through this thin candle, looking at the candle on the left and this candle on the right here. That's a target. So you might want to consider setting a stop loss above this high back here, and just going in with a small position. This guy. All right, so set your stop loss in above that. Something like that. This can be fairly volatile at the best of times. So that could be a thing. I don't mind that. There's definitely risk involved, but that gives you a little bit of room to breathe. And that's an idea for a sell on the higher time frame, on the 1D. Let's just go down and have a look at this on the 4H. Yeah, I mean, there's a few things now you want to consider. First up, see this balance area. This is ranging market price action through here. So we get this run to the downside, a thin candle, imbalance on the 4H. A little bit of a balance area here, catches its breath. And then another drop with this thin candle here. So I've just pulled that through to this high. So we've got this imbalance that's unresolved on the 4-hour time frame. I would say that this will target these areas at some stage. So that's why this is risky. Okay, we've got these unresolved imbalances, and it will definitely want to turn around and take out liquidity above here. Now it's had this move. Look at this here. This strong impulsive move to the upside. What's it doing? Well, there's your balance area through here. There's your imbalance. See how it's trading back, looking to resolve. Taps into it. We've got a lot of traders short here. Retail. Stop losses galore, and builds significant liquidity above this range. All right, now we have exactly the same thing going on over here. That is a liquidity pool. They've had a bit of a crack at it. It's traded down. Don't underestimate how this gets manipulated. I wouldn't be surprised something like that happens. So be careful. So this is why I'm thinking, given that there's liquidity above here, stops, that this could target these areas, and you want to set a bit of a wide stop loss to give it a bit of room to breathe. And again, I mean, there's definitely risk involved with Bitcoin. It's not an easy trade, guys, and I don't know why a lot of people want to trade this. It's can be very unpredictable at the best of times. Anyway, that's my take on Bitcoin. A possible entry. That's a market entry there. And just be aware that we've got these levels above, levels of interest here that the market could target. But in saying that, what do I like about this? I like these moves here. All right, pull back in, rebalance, and then we've got this strong bearish move here, but I'm waiting for the market to come back up into these levels here. So yeah, I mean, that's my take, guys. Oh, you know what? Do it. Just small position. Don't go overboard with this, and go for a decent risk reward. Small position size, wide range for your stop, something like that. That's probably what I would do. I'm very conservative and cautious, and I'm always looking at a chart, looking for the worst case scenario, and that, you know, that's more or less it. Worst case scenario, go back out to a daily and let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, you got these highs back in here, and you got this up here as well. So take the risk, sure, but yeah, be careful and manage your risk well, guys. Click the links below, join our Telegram, have a look at the website. There's a lot going on there, and hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Comment. I'd love to hear your ideas on this. Safe trading as always, and we'll see you in the next video.